Alright guys, before we start this video, stay to the very end to find out how to win this sticker right here. Details will be given at the end of the video, so stay tuned. What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute, it's been a while that I haven't posted up a video. Why you make that face?
Cause I don't like it when people say it's been a minute.
It's been a while. I haven't posted a video. It's just been busy at work, so. But today we're gonna go ahead and work on my RZR, my 2017 RZR XP4 1000. We're gonna go ahead and put the lower section of the doors, the lower halves, and then the storage doors, and then some miscellaneous tools. But so the idea I want to do, the big idea I want for this RZR, because I don't use it much, use it once in a while, but I want to just go ahead and put it up for rent. Whoever wants to rent it for a day or two, I'll post it up on social media, post it up on OfferUp or whatever, Facebook. So I picked up these storage bags from Amazon. These are the, how do you pronounce that?
I don't know.
Kimimoto, I think that's how you pronounce it. Kimimoto storage bags from Amazon. They look pretty good. You have your pads right here for your knees, so you don't bump your knee on the door. Storage compartments. They look pretty dope. So, and then these, I don't know, I don't remember what brand these lower doors are, but I also picked them up at Amazon. I'll link everything down below so you guys can check it out. But let's get started with the lower halves of the door, and then we'll put the bags afterwards. I did wash the RZR yesterday. You know, I was gonna start it, but I didn't have a videographer. My videographer here is here now. So now we gotta figure out, I believe these go in the front.
There was no instructions.
No, I didn't come with instructions, so.
It's not like you were gonna read them anyways.
Mans don't read instructions.
Men, not mans.
Men's don't read instructions.
You sure it's for that
it's
door?
probably on the side. No, this can't be in this side. Yeah, this has closer. Because it has that shit. But
So you were just not putting it correctly.
I don't know.
So are you gonna have to drill a hole?
I think I figured it out, guys. These actually, you gotta put clips. You gotta put a clip right here. Take that bolt off, you put it there. Take this bolt off, you put it there. The shape of it's kind of, but I guess we gotta massage it. Not right. Oh, it doesn't go on that one.
Ay, qué pendejo.
It goes on this one. Alright, we'll be right back. There it is.
After an hour of trying to figure out.
There's one door. We had some technical difficulties, but you got
1 hour later.
You got it. They're not bad. It's not bad. I mean, it didn't come with instructions, but it's pretty much straightforward. I accidentally put this mounting spot on this lower bolt, but it's actually on this inner top bolt. Other than that, a new mounting point right here. You just take this bolt out, put it back in. Plastic trim on the edge, which is pretty nice, the trim. Let's get the rest of the 3 done. there you have it. It's a pretty clean setup. It's pretty simple, fairly cheap. Let's take care of the other side, and then we'll come back to install the bags and the doors. All right, there you have it, all 4 doors installed. So now we're gonna go ahead and install these Kimimoto bags. So all we have to do is just take out some of these bolts so you can sandwich it back. It comes with this pad. We'll see how long these last.
It's not like you use them. You're not tall, so your knees don't hit the door.
Emotional damage.
The back ones didn't have it, but the front ones actually has a Velcro. So you place them right here and right here. Just gotta make sure they're clean, pretty good. Doesn't work for you?
No. Okay. Look it. Look it. Look.
All right, guys. We went ahead and put the doors. Went ahead and put the storage. And did the roll cage, half windshield, the side view mirrors, the whole front end conversion, tires, the high clearance forward offset control arms by Super ATV, high clearance radius rods from Super ATV as well. I took off the trailing arm, took it to get powder coated black. Originally it was red. It's a fun toy, guys, but you know, I just don't use it as much as I would like. Since it's here, might as well make a little bit of money off of it. So I'm gonna put it up for rent. We'll see. Hey, if it works out, I'll buy another one. Guys, I have another project. It's in the driveway. I went ahead and picked it up this weekend. I actually started recording it. There's certain pieces, certain parts that I gotta pick up from the dealership, but the next project is for my wife. It's gonna be a fun one. It's gonna be like a multi-series kind of build. I'll keep you updated. So if you haven't already, like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for that. All right, you're not gonna want to miss it. Whoever guesses the next project might be, or have an idea somewhat, will get a free sticker. So drop it down below. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe. Till the next one. Peace.